Hello everyone, myself Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr.SNS, Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about design process in the requirement model. So it plays an important role while designing the model. So start the data design. So the keywords here they are using is data and design. So the word data means it is a real world information resources that is important to your application. Let us describe the data in a simple statement like it may be a thing, people, product, item, customer, assets, records, etc. So here the data structure concept can be used to perform the data operations like categorizing, organizing, maintaining, processing, sorting, sequencing, etc. So designing keyword, it may be described in multiple step process in which representation of data and structures, interface, characteristics, procedure, detail can be synchronized. So in general ways, design the information driven. So next one is Codescent software architecture. I already said that the use case diagram, DFD diagram are there. So it can be represented by using the software architecture. The process or a computing architecture, so it can be done. It can be represented by the structure or of a diagram, which comprises software component, externally visible property of these components, and relationship among them. The architecture is not the operational software rather than represent the element too. So analyzing the effectiveness of the design in meeting its state requirement, consider architectural alternatives. So reduce risk associated with it. Construction of the software should be maintained. So the what is software component? What do you mean that? Just we are going to see how what is the criteria which we are following in the software components. So software component can be something as a simple as a program, modules or object oriented classes. Here modules means it defines some functions which are used to extract the information in different methodologies using different methodologies. So it can also extend to include database and can also enable the configuration of the network, client and server. So this is the structure of the data flow diagram. There are different design we are using. So architectural design and data class design. We all know that data design means it based on classes. We have to define, design the content. Architectural, it is a skeletal structure we given about our project. So data design, it translates the data objects into different structures at the software component level. Data design is the first and most important design activity. Here the main issues is to select the appropriate data structure. That is, the data design focus on the definition of the data structures. So it is a gradual refinement. What data does our application require? What are the things required for our developing application? We have to define clearly in the given diagram. So it also include identifying the data, specifying data types and storage, data integrity by using business rules and other running environments. So concepts in the data designs. So they are following different concepts in the designing the data. We have to consider data modeling. So here they have to maintain two types of diagrams: entity relationship diagram and unified modeling diagram. It will represent the attributes and relationship between the different entities. So normalization in sense it is a reduce redundancy and improve the data integrity. That is, it break the large tables into smaller number of ones and also identify how the duplication can be avoided in the particular data and also querying and maintenance. Next thing is a data storage. Data storage means storing the data in different methodologies. So here they are following different keywords for maintaining the data. So okay, document key value, columnar, a graph database. So that even may be a flat files also. So it is used to reduce the data volume, complexity, and access patterns. So data structure in sense it organizes storage, memory, or disk. So often work in various with data structures like array, linked list, tree, graph, and hash table. Whatever required, we can draw the patterns to clearly define our project. So indexing means it's specific column database table to speed up data retrieval. So index can be set to extract the information in the database management system. Next, data integrity. It plays a vital role in the designing the data. It involves setting constraints, unique constraints or foreign key constraints here they are using. So they are maintaining accuracy and consistency of data. Data security also include consider security aspects such as accessing control, encryption, data masking. Everything can be done in the data security process. Scalable means never require degrows and more data is generated. It should be capable of handling increased load without sacrificing. So from this I conclude the design data designs in the software engineering. Thank you.